Today's daily question is same like what we solved yesterday, but there is a small twist. The question is maximum product of two elements in an array. So given the array of integer nums, you will choose two different indices I and j of that array, written the maximum value of nums of I minus 1 into nums of j minus 1. So this is the input array that we are given with, and then we have to choose the indices I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2 from indexed 0. You will get the maximum value, that is nums of 1 minus 1 into nums of 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 into 5 minus 1, which is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So you should choose maximum two numbers from the given array and subtract one from those elements and then multiply it. It's basically 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1. When you multiply both, you'll get 3 into 4, which is 12. Same thing over here. What is the maximum element? That is 5 and 5. When you subtract 1 from both of them, you get 4 and 4. When you multiply both, you'll get 16. Same thing, okay? So here again, we'll need two variables. One is largest and second largest. Let's just initialize them. And then we need second largest. It's equal to 0. And then we will need a for loop. Int n from nums, and then if n is greater than largest, then second largest will be the element which was previously in largest. This was the sentence which we forgot to write last time. Then we have largest is equal to n. Else if n is greater than second largest, this should have been in caps, then we will have second largest is equal to n. Then finally we need to written largest minus 1 into second largest minus 1 bracket. Yes, let's submit. Yeah, this is it. Now coming on to the complexities. Firstly, I'll talk about time complexity. Complexity of this approach, where we are making use of arrays.sort of nums, is big O of n log n. And the space complexity of this will be big O of log n. The complexity is not that great in this problem because we are making use of this function method. But the way that we have solved this is the optimized way, and the time complexity of this is big O of n because we are traversing through the array of n elements, and the space complexity is big O of 1. That's because we are making use of only two constant variables, that is large and second largest. Thank you. That's all for today.